Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to take a look at the Breakdown Maker Blender add-on. Every artist knows how exhausting and tedious it can be to create a reel or breakdown after putting so much effort into a scene. That's why the folks at Difffuse Studio developed Breakdown Maker. They're also known for other amazing add-ons like procedural crowds, procedural alleys, procedural signs, and some incredible character packs for procedural crowds. Breakdown Maker streamlines the process of creating professional portfolios or demo reels, adhering to industry standards. It allows you to effortlessly animate all the elements in your scene, showcasing your creative process in just a few clicks. It's fast, intuitive, and designed to keep your workflow smooth and efficient. So here's what you can do. You can choose between 6 animation presets. These presets are inspired by how top 3D and VFX studios present their work, helping you showcase your scene development step by step. With one click, your selected models will appear and progressively reveal your original scene, ensuring every detail is appreciated. Professional turntables. Easily create turntables to showcase your models. Customize your setup with preset animations, lighting options, and more, making it simple to produce high-quality demos. Choose from a variety of preset lighting setups to match your desired mood or style. These presets are editable and perfect for any model. You can also use HDRI lighting or Real Studio lights through the asset browser to add a professional touch. Effortlessly switch between standard, wireframe, and solid color textures. This feature can even change textures automatically during turntable creation, providing optimal visualization from every angle. Breakdown Maker comes with many more features to save you time and effort. You can find the link to Breakdown Maker in the description. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and create stunning breakdowns, this is the add-on for you. That's been it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. Also, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss an update.